Experiencing syncing problems between your Garmin Venu 2 and the Garmin Connect app? You're not alone. This video addresses why your activity logs, health metrics, and other data may not be transferring correctly. The core issue often lies in Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) protocol mismatches and connection drops between the watch and your smartphone. We'll explore common causes, including outdated firmware, app cache buildup, and interference from other wireless signals. Understanding these issues is the first step toward resolving them. Garmin has introduced an automated Bluetooth reset fix tool within the Garmin Connect app to address syncing issues with the Venu 2. This tool is available in the Garmin Connect app, which you can see here with the Garmin logo. The feature was introduced in the fourth quarter of 2025 as part of an app update. The Bluetooth Reset Fix tool guides users through a three-step process. First, it instructs you to reset Bluetooth on your phone. Second, it guides you to reset Bluetooth on your Venu 2 watch. Finally, it walks you through repairing the devices. This reestablishes the Bluetooth low-energy handshake between your phone and the Venu 2 shown here. The method resolves most cases by properly reestablishing the connection. Importantly, this process does not erase your valuable user data. The tool integrates with your phone's Bluetooth settings, similar to what you see here. This automated solution makes fixing Bluetooth syncing problems much simpler for Garmin Venu 2 users. Let's walk through the Bluetooth Reset Fix process step by step. First, on your smartphone, whether Android or iOS, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and forget or unpair your Garmin Venu 2. Next, on your Venu 2, go to Settings, then System, and select Restore Defaults. Now, open the Garmin Connect app and follow the prompts to add your Venu 2 as a new device. The app will guide you through the pairing process. Make sure both devices are near each other during this process. If the Bluetooth Reset Fix doesn't resolve your syncing issues immediately, here are additional troubleshooting steps to try. These address common causes like outdated software, background restrictions, and environmental interference. First, ensure both your Garmin Connect app and Venu 2 firmware are updated to the latest versions. Outdated software can lead to Bluetooth Low Energy protocol mismatches, preventing proper data sync. Check the App Store and watch settings for available updates. Next, check your phone's battery optimization settings. Ensure Garmin Connect is not restricted from running in the background. On Android or iOS, go to Battery Settings and allow unrestricted access for the app to prevent throttling of background syncing activity. Then, restart both your phone and Venu 2 watch. Power them off completely for 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This clears any temporary Bluetooth connection glitches or cache buildup that might be interfering with the sync process. Finally, Wi-Fi interference can disrupt Bluetooth connections. Move to a location with minimal wireless activity, such as away from routers or crowded networks, and attempt the sync again. This helps maintain a stable BLE connection for data transfer. When the Bluetooth Reset Fix doesn't resolve your Garmin Venu 2 syncing issues, it's time to consider more advanced solutions. If basic fixes fail, perform a full factory reset on your Venu 2 by going to Settings, System, Restore Defaults, and selecting Delete Data. This will restore the watch to its original state. Following the reset, repeat the entire Bluetooth pairing process by opening the Garmin Connect app and scanning for your Venu 2 watch. If issues persist, especially on Android OS 14 or higher or iOS 18 or higher, Bluetooth fragmentation could be the culprit. These operating systems have specific Bluetooth handling that may interfere with syncing. If none of these advanced fixes work, contact Garmin support directly. They can provide personalized assistance for your specific device and software combination. The Garmin Venu 2 primarily uses Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, for connecting to your smartphone. BLE enables efficient, low-power wireless communication that's ideal for wearable devices. However, the watch also uses AN+ for some data transfers, particularly for fitness metrics like heart rate, steps, and GPS tracks. ANT+ is a proprietary protocol optimized for sports and fitness data transmission. To understand the differences, ANT+ generally offers superior signal stability, lower latency, and better multi-device support compared to BLE, which provides easier native compatibility with smartphones, but can be affected by interference. The syncing process involves both protocols working together. BLE establishes the connection, while ANT Plus handles the actual data transfer of metrics. Problems with either protocol can cause syncing failures. For example, delays can occur if battery optimization settings on phones restrict background app activity, throttling the data transfer process. The Garmin watch integrates these technologies to provide reliable fitness tracking. Understanding BLE and ANT Plus helps in troubleshooting syncing issues effectively. Garmin is embracing future trends to improve syncing reliability. AI-assisted troubleshooting will proactively diagnose issues and recommend solutions based on individual device data. Protocol unification is planned for upcoming Venu models, incorporating Wi-Fi Direct for faster syncing by 2027. Cloud-based syncing through Health Connect API will further reduce Bluetooth dependency. In this final section, we'll explore real-world success stories from users who have benefited from the Bluetooth reset fix, along with insights from technology experts and Garmin's own performance data. Many users have shared their positive experiences with the Bluetooth reset fix on online communities like Reddit. For instance, one user successfully resolved persistent syncing failures after switching from an iOS device to Android. By applying the reset tool, they restored weeks of unsynced fitness data in just minutes, demonstrating the fix's reliability across different mobile platforms. Technology experts from leading publications have also weighed in on the Bluetooth reset fix. PCMag describes it as a user-friendly band-aid that effectively addresses syncing problems without requiring technical expertise. Meanwhile, CNET reviewers commend its simplicity and success rate in maintaining reliable connections between Garmin devices and smartphones. Garmin's own performance data underscores the effectiveness of the Bluetooth reset fix. According to their user surveys, the reset tool successfully resolves 82% of reported syncing issue cases, making it a highly reliable first-line solution for Venu 2 owners experiencing connectivity problems. Looking ahead, experts emphasize the importance of seamless Bluetooth 5.3 adoption in future Garmin models. By prioritizing advanced Bluetooth protocols, Garmin can eliminate the need for reset fixes entirely, offering users more reliable and faster wireless connections for their fitness tracking needs.